let it fall, my heart, and then it fell. You rose to play. It was dark and was so over until you kissed in my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand your arms without you falling your feet. But that's a sign to you that I never knew, and the things you say were never true, and the games you play, you always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch the pose, I touched the face, where the burn and the water cry, 'cause I heard it scream your name, your name. Where I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel your here forever. You and me together, Lord, nothing better, 'cause there are sides to you that I never knew, and the things you say that are never true, on the games you play, you know always see. But I set fire to the rain, watch the pour, I touch the face, where I burn and the water cry, 'cause I heard the scream of your name, your name. Set fire to the rain, I threw the earth into the flames. And when you feel I was something like, well, 'cause I knew that I would last time. Sometimes I wake up by the doors that a heart you caught, it must be waiting for you. Even now, when you all right over, I can't help it myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch the pour. I said, watch it touch your face, where I burn and I cry, 'cause I heard you scream out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flames, where I felt something died, 'cause I knew that I was there the last time. Whoa.